Finally, there are leaks of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. You're in the right place if you're eager to learn everything there is to know about Samsung's next large foldable. We're dissecting the release date, anticipated cost, and all verified rumors as of right now. Additionally, Samsung may be addressing the main grievances with the Fold 7 at last. So let's get right to it. First off, when will the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 be available? For the past 2 generations, Samsung's foldable rollout cycle has been quite constant. In July, Samsung unveiled new foldables, which were later released that same month. In July 2026, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is anticipated to be unveiled. Let's now discuss pricing, which is the difficult aspect. Samsung has already raised the Fold 7's costs in the US and Europe due to the unpredictable state of the world economy. The pricing in the UK did not change, but that may not occur in the future. The Fold 8 will probably start at about £1,899 based on the trend of recent price changes, while the US price might not change. Price history to put things in perspective. $1,980 is folded. $1,999 for the Z Fold 2. Z Fold 3, $1,799. $1,799. Z Fold 4. Z Fold 5 costs $1,799. Moreover, the Z Fold 6 costs $1,899. Moreover, the Z Fold 7 costs $1,999. Therefore, it is very likely that prices will rise this time. That being said, let's discuss the verified rumors of Z Fold 8 enhancements. Things start to become intriguing at this point. First, a larger battery. According to a Korean publication, Samsung may eventually increase the battery's capacity to 5,000 mAh, which would be a significant improvement over the Fold 7's 4,400 mAh. The second is less visibility of creases. A new metal plate that has been laser drilled beneath the display is mentioned in the same source. The Fold 8 should feel more smooth in daily usage as a result of this, making the Fold even less noticeable than on the Fold 7, which already had improvements. The third is the return of S Pen support. Removing S Pen support from the Fold 7 was one of the most annoying things Samsung did, but it appears like the company is prepared to restore S Pen compatibility with the Fold 8. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.